Dahil lagi nga tayo nagpo-food trip at nasa adventure, tara samahan nyo akong i-take ang aking triple immunity infusion drip dito sa Azuro Hotel and let's talk about drip talk.
Kumbaga, ito yung pinaka way of cleaning your inside. No? Kung
Yes.
paano mo inalagaan yung sarili mo
Internally.
Hello everyone. So this is Drip Talk. We are offering services for IV infusions like the vitamin C boosters, immunity boosters. So far here in Drip Talk, we are offering 13 kinds of intravenous infusion drip. Ang best seller namin talaga dito yung para sa pampaputi, more of the immunity, and the vibrancy. So for young adults into adultering age, mas marami yung nararamdaman natin as we go along with our lives, with our lifestyles. So as much as possible, we are giving the replenishment that you need para yung mga nawawala sa katawan